Okay, I think we're going. It's the 15th of January 2019 today, and the reason for this video is last night I was thinking about the chemtrails that we've got in our skies most days when it's clear enough to see them, which is not often here in Scotland. But I was thinking about them. I was thinking, why would they do this? Why would the government be doing this, messing up the sky like this? They're trying to reflect light back off the planet to cool down the planet. You know, what are they actually doing this for? And then I started to think laterally and thought to myself, maybe it actually isn't the government that's doing this. So I started thinking about it a little bit more, and what I want to show you is, as you know, we've got the magnetosphere on the planet Earth, and that protects us from all the solar rays that are coming in. It's great protection, but the magnetosphere, as you know, is weakened because the magnetic pole is shifting. So it's almost as if the poles could end up anywhere. But anyway, moving away from that, I want to show you this. Here we've got the we've got the thermosphere here. Now this thermosphere stops cosmic radiation, cosmic rays, and UVC coming in from the sun. Now this is, they say it's been reduced by 10%. I think it's been reduced by a lot more than that. And we're actually getting a lot of UVC readings at ground level now, and very, very high UVC readings when you're in a plane, dangerously high, and that, I mean, that's going to become quite obvious quite soon. So I believe that this has gone very thin. So we've got all this cosmic radiation, we've got cosmic rays, we've got UVC coming from the sun. Everything is coming through now because this is no longer protecting us. So we're getting all these pretty clouds now in the sky. Really weird clouds that you probably see in some kind of science fiction movie. But of course, this is not a movie. This is real. And the problem is that this radiation is reaching ground level, and when planes fly through this radiation, cosmic rays and all the rest of it, instead of leaving the vapor trails that they used to leave, which are nice long vapor trails that just faded out into nothing, it's reacting with everything that's coming through the atmosphere now. And because the atmosphere is actually different, it's not the atmosphere that we had 20-30 years ago, it's different now. And what's happening is when the planes go through it, they're leaving this residue that's just expanding, and it's nothing to do with the government or the elites or anything like that. I do believe the elites are up to something. I believe they know what's going on, and they've got underground bunkers and what have you. But I don't think it's much more than that. I don't think this is anything to do with the government. I mean, even this kind of thing here with the SpaceX launch, I don't think you would have seen that 20 years ago. I think 20 years ago it would have just been a normal launch, but I think this is cosmic rays that's causing this. Cosmic rays coming through the thermosphere because of the lack of magnetosphere that we have. Got this, another one here. So the way it looks, in all honesty, if we don't really have an atmosphere that we had 20-30 years ago, and planes, just normal planes going through the sky, are doing this. Oh, let's see if I've got a better one of that. No, I don't actually. That's about the best I've got. And planes are doing this, and this is at this stage. What's it going to be like in 20, 30, 40 years time if the poles don't shift and wipe us all out? What's it going to be like then? It's going to be like Mars. Radiation is getting down to the ground and nothing is stopping it. So yeah, that is what I think. I don't think this is a man-made thing. I think this is cosmic radiation, solar radiation, UVC coming through into the lower atmosphere, and this is what happens when the planes go through it. And that's it, I'm sad to say. Doesn't look great. Anyway, good luck everyone.